DJ Zachary, Ice Trace Barbershop. I'm from Lawton, Oklahoma. Hashtag DJ Cut It. You can find me on all social media using that hashtag. I've been in the barber game as a legit barber 15 years. I've been cutting hair since I was 12 years old.
Usually I would have it already ready, but I just turned it on.
Sixth grade, and my dad was a guy that didn't go to the barbershop because of his own hair. And I asked him, could I use the clippers to cut my hair? He gave me the clippers, and I spent pretty much the rest of sixth grade bald-headed, learning how to cut my own hair.
Watch on treatment on him, and then we're gonna do a bit of the beard wash as well. The hydro beard wash. You're gonna need this razor hose and the pro touch blade. That's what you're gonna need to shave the head. Massage it into the hair. Like when you see Ronald use that aloe, like you can see the gel coming off it. It adds so much moisture. You know what I mean?
My why is confidence. The confidence that I was raised with, and the ability to transfer that confidence into somebody else using a haircut. It's just something as simple as showing them the mirror after a service. Is they get that transformation, that smile, that twinkle in their eye. It's life-changing. It's a polarizing moment for them to realize that this is who they really want to be. And when I see that, it's a level of satisfaction that I haven't found in creating anything else.
Start smoothing it out. You don't have to do this. You can use your hands or your gloves, but just not to be so messy on the first pass. I'll try to like smooth it out. Yeah, right. And then for that extra that extra little zing when they relaxing like that, you're ready. I'm gonna massage their head. This adds on to the experience. So, how did I feel my right?
The reason I wanted to come to Elevation Grooming Studio and get this extra education is because I like to provide the extra value for my clients. I like to give them a service that they have maybe not ever seen, or maybe they only see online and don't know that they can get that service provided.
Just massage it all on his head. And just make sure that you watch out for this because this thing can get real hot. So you probably got to move your hands a little bit. And then you feel that heat come to that arm like, oh. And usually on the second pass, yeah. I usually I do like that, or I just put it in my hand and I just like massage all the way through on the second pass. Make sure you get it all the way into the scalp. You might need a little bit more. Probably need a little bit more shave gel. There you go. Good.
The hands-on was vital. The ability to actually do it a couple of times, have him stop you midway and correct the action, walk you through the steps a couple of times and allow you to do it yourself really resonates with you, because it's more than just watching a YouTube video. It's more than just watching a seminar or a webinar or just writing notes. The actual hands-on training makes a huge difference.
As far as the two shades, you should be able to have at least one pass done in 7 minutes and then the second pass done in another 7 minutes. You know what I mean? So that way, because you still want to have time to groom the beard.
After the thermal scrub shampoo wash, I definitely saw a difference in the skin of the scalp. The hair was definitely clean. You wash it a couple of times, so the hair is definitely free of anything. The scalp is free of anything, and the scalp looks refreshed and doesn't look irritated anymore.
I'm gonna show you the version that's sitting up, and I'm gonna show you the version that's laying back. Let them know you ain't going nowhere. You come right back. You gonna book with me. Cause this is what I do.
Right.
Do that for about 30 seconds.
My red been getting full of treats.
Man, it feel good. I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Right afterwards.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
I put the steam on.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean steam on the head. Yeah. Then
And then I put the
gel,
oil
and
on
then
top
the
of
oil
it.
inside the gel
Yeah.
circle.
Yeah. So you can do that too. And that's just extra.
The hydro ball therapy treatment was different because I'm only used to shaving it with trimmers and then going over it with an electric razor. So to use the hot towel, to use the aloe, to use the steam, to use all the oils that go into the head was a very different experience, and it was one of those things that you could see the skin looking refreshed. Typically after I give a bald head, his head is dry, I may put something on it, but after these services, the scalp was ready to go. It was shiny, it was glistening, it was refreshing.
I use basic as far as the shampoo, carbon tea tree shampoo, about basic.
I would definitely recommend this one-on-one class to any barber, whether you've been in the game for 2 years, a decade, 20 years. I've been cutting hair 15 years professionally, and today I saw plenty of stuff that I have never seen before and got plenty of value out of the money I spent.